Hi, come on in. Today I'm going to show you how to make a magic circle. I'm going to show you 3 different methods. I'm going to use a 5mm hook and some iron wool. So the first method I'm going to use is you put it across the front of your hand here, put it across the back and through between your ring finger and your little finger, and then move it across the front of your hand again and cross it at the back, putting it again between your ring finger and your little finger to keep it secure, and causing this cross here on the back. Then pick up your hook, put it underneath the wool at the front, hook the piece at the back, bring it through and twist it. Very important, that piece. Put the wool over your hook and pull it through that loop to fasten it off, and then you can start to work into your magic ring, which is here. And that's the first way to do a magic ring. And obviously you use this loose end that you can pull it tighter or loosen it depending on what you require yourself. So that's the first method of making a magic ring. The second way to make a magic ring is much the same, but you're using your finger. So you're holding your wool between your thumb and your index finger. You're putting the wool round your finger, quite loosely though, and then crossing it at the back, just like we did with the other. So you've got a cross here, but make sure it's nice and loose. You don't want that tight. Pick up your hook, put it under, put it under that first piece of wool, hooking the back piece, putting it through and twisting it. Then put your wool over your hook and pull it through that loop to form your magic circle. And again, you can use this end to pull it tighter, or indeed you can loosen it. And that is the second method for making your magic circle. Now the third way to make your magic circle is not really entirely a magic circle at all. You're making chain stitch to begin with, and I'll show you what to do. So take your wool, make your loop with your cross at the front, take your hook, put it through, take your piece of wool, put it around your hook, pull that back through, making your slip stitch ready for your chain. Now I'm going to make 3 chain, so 1, 2 and 3, and then I'm going to start working into the first chain. So that is this one right here, and I'm going to make UK treble crochets or UK double crochets into it, and that'll show you what I mean. Now wool over, in through that first chain, wool over, pull it back through, wool over, pull through 2, wool over, pull through 2. Now this particular method, you can't cinch it tighter like you can with the other 2 magic circles, but it does come out to be quite a nice little way to start a project. Wool over, in through your hole, wool over, pull back through, wool over, pull through 2, wool over, pull through 2. So when you've finished and you have joined this round, you will be able to see the circle, but it will be tighter than using the method where you make 4 chain and then join them. So that's the third method of making a magic circle. Thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you back here soon.